Have you seen those viral AI POV videos that make millions of views in just days? I have good news for you guys. In this video, I will teach you how to create those videos and make millions of views while this niche is still fresh and trendy. For this video, we will recreate one of the most popular ones I found. Let's take a look at it. To recreate this video, we'll start by generating the images. Next, we'll animate them, followed by creating the sound effects. Finally, we'll bring everything together and edit it in CapCut. All right, to generate those angelic heaven POV images, I've prepared a set of prompts that we'll use with text-to-image AI tools. I'll leave these prompts in the description so you can experiment with them too. Now, the first image we're creating is a POV shot of an angel just waking up in a heavenly realm. To do this, we'll head over to Leonardo AI and click on Image Creation. Let's copy the prompt from our file, paste it into Leonardo AI, and set the aspect ratio to 9:16 in the settings bar on the left. Once everything is set, just hit Generate. And there it is. The results are perfect. Now I know what you're thinking. Fusion Master, how do we create these prompts in the first place? Don't worry, I got you covered. I'll leave the prompts in the description, and you can use them to generate any scene you want. Just copy a prompt and ask ChatGPT to tweak it for a different scenario. Simply describe the scene you want to see in the next sentence, and AI will handle the rest. Let's try generating a point of view of a Roman soldier. And here it is. The prompt is ready to go. Now let's see what we come up with. Once again, the results are on point. You can tweak the prompt further to match your vision exactly. Now let's generate the next scene, where the alleged angel is having dinner in a grand angelic hall. For this one, we'll use Midjourney so you can see the difference between Leonardo AI and Midjourney. We'll start by copying the prompt from our file and pasting it into Midjourney, making sure to set the 9:16 aspect ratio. Once we hit Generate, we'll see the results on the Create page. I really like the first one. It truly captures the essence of an angelic dinner. Let's go ahead and download it. By now, you guys probably get the flow. I've already generated all the remaining scenes from the file using the same method, and here are the results. Pretty awesome, right? Now, all that's left is to pick our favorite versions and move forward. Before we dive into the animation part, I have a question for you. Do you want to create easy AI faceless content and become a prompt expert like Fusion Master? If your answer is yes, then I invite you to join the AI Content Starter Kit, where I'll teach you exactly how I achieved 500 million views on major social media platforms and built a $10,000 per month passive income, all without ever showing my face. By joining, you'll also get exclusive access to our private AI creator community, where we share early niche ideas, life hacks, and proven strategies to grow on social media and make money from it. Don't miss your chance to learn while it's still early. Now that our images are ready, it's time to animate them. For this, we'll be using one of the best AI animation tools, Kling AI. But before we jump in, we need image-to-video prompts. And for that, we're heading back to ChatGPT. Remember, you don't have to come up with prompts yourself. Always use ChatGPT to save time and get the best results. Now we'll upload our images one by one and ask ChatGPT for an animation prompt with a point-of-view perspective. In the next sentence, we'll describe the context of the scene to make sure the AI generates the most accurate and cinematic result. And boom, there it is. Now, let's head back to Kling AI, upload our image, and paste the animation prompt we just generated. In the settings bar, we'll add negative prompts like blur, distortion, poor quality, and disfigurement to eliminate any unwanted artifacts. Then just hit Generate. And here it is. The result looks incredible. The quality is top-notch. Now we'll do the same for the next scene. Eating at the heavenly table. We'll use the same request as before, but this time, we'll adjust the context description to match this specific scene. We'll repeat this process for all the images we generated earlier. As you can see, it's super easy and straightforward. Let's copy the prompt and paste it into Kling AI. Behind the scenes, I've already done the same for all the other scenes, so now let's take a look at some of the results. And there you have it. I think they look amazing. Now we're almost done. Once all our videos are generated and ready, it's time to edit everything into a full video using CapCut. We'll upload the videos and drag them into our project, making sure to arrange the scenes in a logical order. Next, we need to generate background sounds to bring the atmosphere to life. For that, we'll head over to 11 Labs, an amazing AI tool with a sound generation feature. To access it, click on Sound Effects on the main page. Here, all we have to do is describe the sound we want. For our first scene, we need the sound of yawning. We've got 4 options. Let's give them a listen. I think the third one works best. For our second scene, we need the noise of a busy dinner hall. Let's request that. Option 4 fits perfectly. The next scene involves water sounds and a waterfall. I'd go with option 3 here. You can also adjust the outcome in the settings bar, reducing the length of the audio files or letting AI automatically detect the best length for you. For our final scenes, we'll generate holy choir sounds. All the results sound great, but we'll go with the third one. Finally, we'll import all these sounds into our CapCut project, match them to the scenes, and here's the final result, guys. I think we nailed it. This remake might be even better than the original. If you stuck around until the end, I hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Fusion Master has more exciting content coming your way, so stay tuned. And remember, creativity has no limits.